We're currently standing at the end, the west end of the building, and if you look, that's looking down the main corridor. You can see how much framing we've gotten done. This is how much the building changes with the E-wall panels. We move down through the corridor. Lots of framing going on. All the classrooms are pretty much done. We've got a couple chase walls left to do. We continue to move down through the building. This area here is your staff offices. Got a large area here for study. This is your bookstore area. Got contractors hard at it. Digging up some electric in the floor. Walking into the restroom area. That's your women's restroom to the right, and your men's restroom to the left. This is your elevator area up to the second floor. We continue the tour through the building. We're coming to the main lobby and the main stairs. That's your media area. We've got framing starting on the second floor. Got almost the whole south end enclosed. Got a beautiful view from up here. I have a contractor working on the storm piping connections for the roof drains. Now this is for those of you who only get to see the classroom side of the building. Here's a quick tour of the roof of your building. We got roofing going on down on the west end. This is where your main rooftop units are going to be. These framed walls will have metal panels that will close the rooftop units in from view from down on the street. If you want an idea of where we're at on the roof, to my left is the Brown County Claremont Hospital extension. To the west is your woods that you have as part of your property. To the right is Bardwell. And then to the east, you have the road widening work going on. You've got the roundabout construction progressing. scheduled to be done after Thanksgiving. And this is your roof membrane system being installed.